met Jim Capraro 20 years ago, he told me that economic development really can be defined as one thing, and that's jobs.
Our mission was to revitalize the Chicago Lawn neighborhood, the Marquette Park area. We practiced what we called comprehensive community development. We didn't just do housing, we didn't just do retail, we did it all. Because we felt that all of those areas, all of that kind of programming represented puzzle pieces for a complete neighborhood.
If you go to the Jewel food store, that's there because of Jim's vision. Again, the other place, of course, that we always point to is Nabisco, and that the work that he did with Nabisco to keep that in this neighborhood. The list goes on, but from NHS's standpoint, we still like the fact that we're here because of Jim's vision.
I think it's one of the best things we've ever done at Greater Southwest Development Corporation, inviting NHS in and then partnering with NHS in very special ways throughout all these years.
We now have a very interesting kind of thing going on in Chicago, and that is that we have Islamic people working here in partnership with St. Rita Catholic Parish and working with a Jewish synagogue here, the only African-American Jewish synagogue in Chicago, all working together to try to build this neighborhood.
But in this neighborhood today, all of those people, all of those leaders, black, white, brown, Christian, Muslim, unchurched, are all working together.
Jim was right at the center of pulling all of these people together and showing how doing development really helps people.